Home Depot will pay you $7,000 a month just to work from home. And the best part about it is you can do it from anywhere. Anyone can do it, and you don't even have to show your face. Come on, let me show you how. All right, first step, you're gonna wanna head on over to Google and type in Home Depot affiliate program. Now you're gonna wanna select that first option that pops up. Now when you scroll down, you're gonna see a Home Depot affiliate program. Just sign up for free here. Now after you signed up and got your affiliate link, you're gonna wanna head over to Home Depot and pick a product you wanna promote. Next, you're gonna wanna head over to Pinterest and create a pin. Now you're gonna set this up just like an ad here. You're gonna put your picture over here, you're gonna do a nice title and a really good description right in here. Now this next part's super important. It's how you're gonna get paid. Remember that affiliate link you got when you signed up for Home Depot? You're gonna need to put this now in the ad so that you can start to make some money. Head on back over to your Pinterest ad and put that affiliate link right in here. This is called affiliate marketing. And if you want to see how ordinary people are making thousands of dollars a week online, check the top of my page out to learn exactly how I got started.